Is your Snapchat message or newsfeed keep loading? Recently, some Snapchat users have been saying that unfortunately their Snapchat message, store, and newsfeed keep loading today. Now, if you find that you can't send messages or watch any videos or can't see any pictures, or if you can't upload anything, then you need to watch this video to learn a quick way to solve the not loading issues on Snapchat. Not loading or not working problems can happen for software bug updates, poor internet, server down, or misconfiguration. So let's get started. First, you need to fix your internet issues. First, check your internet speed and stability. You can open the browser and type internet speed test. Open this up. If you found that your internet is not working well on your mobile device, you can enable airplane mode for 20 seconds and turn off your airplane mode. Or you can switch your mobile network from Wi-Fi to mobile data or mobile data to Wi-Fi. After solving your internet issues for your Snapchat apps, now you need to remove the software glitch from the Snapchat apps. So, open Setting, scroll down, tap Apps, tap Manage Apps, search for Snapchat apps. Tap on it. Now first turn on Auto Start. Tap App Permission, enable Files and Media, choose Allow, go back, enable Location, tap Allows, go back, scroll down, tap Battery Saver, choose No Restriction, enable all the settings. Now tap Clear Data. Tap Clear All Data. Now check your problem. If you still have the same story issues after the first process, now follow the next process. Now tap on the Google Play Store, tap Search option, type Snapchat, and quickly check for a new software update for a Snapchat application. After doing all the work, your not loading Snapchat issues will be solved. Now, if you still have any questions, please ask me in the comment section. Thanks for watching.